¿Ves eso? Así es como se ve ser montado todo el día por un hombre de 180 kilos.
Yo voy y pierdo un dragón entero.
Disculpe, moza. Creo que me trajo al vástago equivocado. Pedí un niño extra grande con brazos fuertes, agallas y gloria de guarnición. ¿Y esto? Esto es un pescado parlanchín.
¡Ah! Bien, eso estuvo muy cerca de la única pierna buena.
El invierno está muy cerca y tengo todo un pueblo que alimentar.
Aquí entre nos, al pueblo le hace falta menos alimento, ¿no crees? Oye, tienes que nivelarme. No. Vuelve hacia mí, vuelve hacia mí. ¡Au!
Báilalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo, como báilalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo, como
toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. Hang on! Almost there, buddy, almost there. I'm staying with you, no matter what.
Ce jour où je t'ai rencontré,
No more running.
que ce jour ne
Remember,
soit jamais arrivé.
no more
La pire des
running.
bénédictions, la plus belle des malédictions. De toi je devrais m'éloigner, mais comme dit le dicton, plutôt qu'être seul, mieux vaut être mal accompagné. Tu sais ce qu'on dit, sois près de tes amis les plus chers.
Harry,
Aussi.
you're with us.
Mais
You're
ma
with us.
meilleure ennemie c'est toi. Fuis-moi. Le pire c'est toi et moi.
Et si tu cherches encore l'amour.
Now we do it all the talk. I ain't paying anymore. You heard me when I said before. You better put it down. Make me say, you the one I like. Come on, put your body on, might. Keep it up all night. Don't let me down.
Your hand in my hand. I could never choose to love another. Maybe one day I can learn to love you.
I love you, baby.
Everything is blue. His pills, his hands, his jeans, and now I'm covered in the colors, pulled apart at the seams. It makes me everything is gray. His hair, his smoke, his dreams, and now he's so devoid of color. He don't know what it means, and he's
Tú, mi princesa hermosa, el mundo eres para mí.
¡Terrenator! ¡El coche más poderoso que ha existido! ¡Con tracción 4x4!
I love you. You may as well take my heart, Catherine. It's already full of you.
Please go.
What is it? What's wrong, my dear?
You know nothing about me. You've known me only 3 weeks.
3 weeks? Catherine, I've known you all my life.
All your life.
It's true. When I've heard beautiful music, I thought she'd like that. I've looked at flowers and known that one day I'd give them to you.
Stop, stop.
Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life. I would gladly do it twice.
Save him.
Oh, please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart. Even though you're trying to hurt me, you keep tearing me apart.
Boy, that's it. I'm here.
I'm safe.
Can't see.
Different dimension. You open my eyes, and I'm ready to go. Lead me into the light.
I was born to burn, I was born for this. Run me like a racehorse, hold me like a ripcord. Break me down and build me up, I wanna be the slip. Word up on your lip, ready to let you rip. Break me down and build me up, whatever it takes. Cause I love the adrenaline in my face, I do whatever it takes.
Hey, it's really nice to finally
Not a word.
You're not my son.
Sorry, Dad. I'm sorry, Dad. I just want to be one of you guys. I'm not the chief that you wanted me to be. Dad, no! For once in your life, would you please just listen to me? I was so afraid of becoming my dad. Mostly because I thought I never could. The chief protects his own.
I want
Matalan! Del sur de Minnesota, yo me opongo. Tú y yo tenemos una conexión, si no fue en esta vida, fue en otra. Deja a ese idiota y ven conmigo. Sabes que no lo amas. ¿No puedes o no quieres?
No puedo nada más.
You're not my son.
Ready to shoot!
Did I cross the line?
Oh, cow! I'm not gonna fight you, Snotlouse!
You see that? The future chief is a coward! You heard me! Come on, hit me!
You know you want to.
Fine, but remember, you wanted this. Ow! Ah! What'd you do that for? Ah, hold on, I gotta take it.
Don't let me down, don't let me down, down, down. Oh, I think I'm losing my mind now, yeah. Oh, I think I'm losing my mind now, yeah. Sit alone, I hope we're still friends, yeah, I hope you don't mind. Sit alone, I hope we're still friends, yeah, I hope you don't mind. Sit alone, I hope we're still friends, yeah, I hope you don't mind. Sit alone, I hope we're still friends, yeah, I hope you don't mind. Sit alone, I hope we're still friends, yeah, I hope you don't mind.
¿Cuántas veces necesito repetirte que te necesito? Si te apagas, mi universo se apaga contigo y los planetas de mi sistema se mueven sin sentido. Todo colapsa, todo explota y se pierde en el vacío. Y recuerdo cuando todo era lindo, cuando el sol aún brillaba y tú estabas conmigo, enamorados, navegando en el espacio alegremente. Dos estrellas destinadas a extrañarse para siempre.
Es muy gentil que nos invite a cenar. Hace mucho tiempo que nadie nos invita a ningún lado. Me pregunto por qué.
Creo que aquí hay muchas focas hambrientas.
Wally.
Oh my God!
Music Man! His dick's smaller than my